It's not the mountain that calls you. It's something deeper, a question you can't ignore. Who am I when the trail gets steep? The trail is never easy. The wind howls, your legs burn, and a voice whispers, "Turn back." But here's the truth. The hardest paths lead to the clearest views, and every step forward is a promise to yourself. And then the world slows down. The wind quiets. The mountains stretch into the horizon, unbothered by time. In the stillness, you feel a connection to something greater than yourself. The trail teaches you patience. It reminds you that progress isn't always fast, but it's always worth it. And somewhere along the way, you realize it's not the summit that changes you. It's the climb. Every step shapes you, strengthens you, and shows you who you are. When you leave the trail, it stays with you. The strength you found, the silence you embraced, the beauty you learned to see, not just in the mountains, but in every moment. Because life is a trail, and it's not about the destination. It's about who you become along the way.